That was a bobber stop. Cracking. That's definitely a gator. I think I Oh, hey there.
Howdy.
Morning. We're going ice fishing.
December 7th, 2020. Foggier than a you know what. Hopefully there's enough ice. The other day there wasn't. It hasn't been cold enough to make more ice, so we're gonna see.
You're gonna fall through.
I guess you'll know if this is in the video. I guess we're going ice fishing. So we'll see you when we get there.
We are ice fishing, boys, almost. Checked here 4 days ago and that doesn't look good. Oh, I fell in. I can clickbait the video. She's cracking still, but she ain't bad. Here, stand next to each other. Yep. Runs out here next to shore. I'm trying to fish the edge of the channel. Hopefully we can hook up to some big kitties, some walters, just about anything in here. Stay tuned.
Taking line too.
Was. Little guy. That's feeling bigger. It's a walleye. Holy crap.
He's right here. What was it? He's right here. He was.
I think it might have been a kid. Hey guys, welcome back to Hawaii Outdoors. As you can see, we're ice fishing once again. I don't remember where we left off yesterday, but it wasn't very good. We had a few bites, but we didn't put any fish topside. So we're trying a new spot today. A little bit more ice here is about 3 inches here, maybe a little bit more. Got the iFish Pro set up, waiting for my friend to get out here. Shout out to Sam for snoozing his alarm. Got the old otter set up here. Once he gets out here, we'll start jigging a little bit. Beautiful morning, about 30 degrees already. Hopefully this ice stays. It's supposed to be 50 today, 50 tomorrow. And then we're supposed to get 8 inches of snow on Friday, so hopefully the ice stays safe and we can keep fishing. Looks like there's a nasty crack up there, a couple hundred yards away. Hopefully we can get some Walters put on the ice for you guys today. Stay tuned. iFish Pro just popped. Oh, she came off. That was a good one. Dang it. There's one. Ooh, pig. Pig. Let's go! Yes! Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. First fish of the morning. I'm gonna guess 22, 23. Maybe a little bit bigger. Let me get a measurement on my rod here. Almost all the way to the handle. Let's go. How the hell are you?
Pretty good. How are you?
Great.
Yeah, you got.
Oh, I see it.
No, I didn't.
It was an eater. Ice is just going nuts. How do you feel about the ice cracking?
Well, I feel a hell of a lot better now that I'm not in the house. At least this way I can for it. Oh, you gotta bleep that out, sorry.
Yeah. You should, you guys should go muzzleloading tomorrow. You guys should try outside of Renville if you want to make the drive. It's not too far. We almost had a buck last night.
Come on, bite it like the last one.
6 or 8 pointer or what? Yeah, it was a goofy looking 6, probably 10, 11 inches tall on one side. And then it had 2.5 on the other side.
Nice fish.
Really?
Nice
Yeah,
fish.
nice fish. Let's go!
Yes!
Good eater. 18, 19.
First ice walleyes.
He's going in the grease. Green tail. About 11:30 right now. It's gonna hot up by midday, not even 10 seconds after the other flag, we're gonna have a flag over here.
Landing. Oh no, you're gonna ruin it. Heading east. Got him.
Woo! Yes! Nice one.
No.
That one's almost an eater.
Wanna go and get minnow bucket?
Nice lake walleyes.
See ya.
Eater?
Can't tell.
a gator.
Nope, nice walleye.
Yes! Not really. 12 inches?
15.
Think so?
Oh yeah.
This little one here on the green kale in the corner of the mouth. Gonna be the last fish for this morning. Going home, got some stuff to do, fry up some fish. We're gonna have a different spot tonight, maybe. Pretty good morning overall. Wasn't expecting to catch it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
2 hours later.
Oh, we're good. Well, we're back out here. Got the hairdo. Ice is getting pretty sketchy. Got Max coming. Got some flags out. Couple over there. Hoping to get on some evening Walters. Stay tuned.
$34-inch walleye. Hang on. There. Now reel. Stuck on
Tighten the drag just a little bit. It was a gator if it took off like that.
Yeah. Just carving into the ice.
Feel like surfacing a little bit here.
Come on.
What if this is just the biggest Walter ever?
Sure.
That was a bobber spot. Crack him. That's definitely a gator. I think I just saw something take off over here.
Big old gator. No, that's the bobber right there.
Yeah.
We all just scattered.
That was a little...
Here, just slow down here. Yeah, I'm not gonna stand by you much longer. How is that not broken off yet? Look at the water coming up the hole. Bobber's back. That thing is heavy.
You see him yet? You should be able to see him under the ice.
Oh, this thing is...
It's fine, Peyton. Sam's got a 12-pound gator on. You gonna reach down and grab it, Peyton?
Yeah, see if you can get it.
Here. Don't drop my swimming pool.
Really?
When I'm outdoors here.
Back up a little ways.
He just took it off again, dude.
Keep tension on him. Just fire him out.
What pound lines you got on there? 30?
8.
I'm getting a little cramped
Getting a
up
little
here.
tired.
Oh my god!
Wait, Sam, you gotta catch this fish. Keep her pin. That's a 20-pound gator.
That thing was huge.
This line's gonna snap.
Dude, I told you, this thing like freaking burned
Just
my fingers.
ripped it.
So I took my rod down the hole. I don't want to get my hand anywhere and play with this fish. Just doing circles.
Getting tired? Jesus. Oh, holy.
Oh my gosh! This thing beats the one at Corral opener.
By a little ways.
Oh my.
Jesus.
Anyone got a tape? No. You can barely hold on to it.
It burned my freaking fingers there.
Grab onto it like this. Here, on the video, I gotta take a picture. Nice one. Nice little eater. When did you get him on?
Clam bomb spoon, you know?
Keep some pin.
Yep. Clam, that's what you need to run.
Good deal.
Hey, you might want to go check one of your tip-ups there, say.
Got a fathead in his mouth? Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
What a joke.
We're gonna fall in. Give him a little bit of slack. Got him?
Yep.
Eater. Let's go. Woohoo!
It was the slide, obviously.
And look at that sunset. Look at that lure right there. Green
kale. Right in the upper lip.
Keeps him pinned.
He's gonna taste tasty tonight.
Taste tasty.
Taste
Right
tasty. Nice.
Big Walter.
on. Right.
Green kale.
Ouch. 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 Come on.
The next morning.
First batch of walleye going in. Got them sitting on some shoreline, cut into little pieces. Gonna be tasty.
Delicious walleyes.
Any good?
Yep.